If you're seeing the Facebook error access denied, don't worry. This usually comes down to a login issue, browser data problem, or an account restriction that can be fixed in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to troubleshoot it step by step so you can get back into Facebook without wasting time. And if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is log out of your Facebook account completely, then log back in again. Sometimes the access denied error happens because the session has expired or Facebook needs you to refresh your login. If you're on a browser, sign out first, close the tab, and then reopen Facebook and sign in again using the correct email or phone number. If you're on the app, fully close the app and reopen it before trying again. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes because stored data can cause Facebook to load outdated session information, which may trigger the access denied message. In Chrome, Edge, or another browser, go to your settings, find the privacy or history section, and clear cached images, cookies, and site data for Facebook. After that, restart your browser and try accessing Facebook again. If the issue is still there, the next thing to check is whether your account is restricted. Facebook may block access temporarily if it detects unusual activity, a policy issue, or a security concern. Look for any alerts in your email, notification center, or Facebook support inbox. If Facebook has placed a restriction on the account, you may need to verify your identity, confirm your device, or complete a security check before access is restored. Also, make sure you're not trying to log in from a VPN, proxy, or suspicious network, because that can sometimes trigger the access denied error as well. If possible, switch to a different device or internet connection and test again. A simple network change can often tell you whether the problem is with your account or with your current browser or connection. If none of these steps work, update your browser or Facebook app to the latest version, then try one more time. Outdated software can sometimes conflict with Facebook's login system and create access problems. So to recap, first log out and back in, then clear your browser cache and cookies, and finally, check whether your account is restricted or temporarily blocked. These steps solve the majority of Facebook access denied errors. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.